Hello children, this is Monica Singh, faculty of Mount Literacy School Jhansi, and today we will do chapter number 4, more pronouns. So let's get started. Children, yesterday we did the words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns and they come in the naming part of a sentence and they are also known as personal pronouns. Today we will see me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronoun and they come in the telling part of a sentence. Telling part means that part of a sentence in which some action is being done. These words are also known as object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Object pronoun means on which the action happens. We will understand this with the help of the example. We write I in personal pronoun when the person is speaking about himself or herself. But when we write object pronoun, we write me in place of I. Example, I water the plants in the morning. My sister helps me. The action is done on I and the action is help. So we have written me in place of I as an object pronoun. I study my lesson every night. My mother teaches me. I will celebrate my birthday tomorrow. Dad will buy me a cake. In both the cases, action is done on the object, so we have written me pronoun. When we talk about a person or persons, we write you as a personal pronoun. In object pronoun also, we will write you. Example, Ethan, come here, I will give you a new book. Here we have used you as an object pronoun. Patrick, study your lesson now. I will ask you questions later. Wait for me, Ashley, I will buy you a snack. In both the example, you is used as an object pronoun. He is used when we talk about a boy or a man in personal pronoun, but when we write object pronoun, we will write him for a boy or a man. Example, father buys bread in a bakery every afternoon. Lay goes with him. Here, father is a man, so we have written him as an object pronoun. Lay has a burger for Lance. She will give it to him later. We helped Lester work on his task. We wanted him to finish on time. In both the sentences, we are using him for boy or a man. She is used for a girl or a woman in personal pronoun. But when we write object pronoun, we will write her for a girl or a woman. Example, my sister will celebrate her birthday. I will give her a doll house. My sister is girl, so we have written her as an object pronoun. I have a present for Bubbles. I will give it to her when I arrive. Where is Jenny? I saw her at the park this morning. In both the cases, Bubbles and Jenny are girls, so we have used her as an object pronoun. We write it for an animal, thing or place in personal pronoun as well as in object pronoun. Example, the house is dirty, that is why we should clean it. House is a thing, so we have written it as object pronoun. We use we as a personal pronoun when we talk about two or more person including the speaker. So when we write the object pronoun, we is going to change into us. Example, Richard and I go to school every day. The school service picks us up. In this sentence, Richard and I are two person, so we have used us as an object pronoun. Messi helped Jen and me with our task. She stayed with us until we were done. Mom and I are waiting for dad. He will treat us for dinner. In both the cases, more than one person is there, so we have used us as an object pronoun. We use they for more than two person, place or things in personal pronoun, but we use them as an object pronoun when we talk about two or more person, place or thing. Example, the kids were in the park. I saw them playing hide and seek. Now kids are more than two, so we have used them as an object pronoun. More example, Granny told the children to work on their assignment. She wanted them to sleep early. Paul carried the books. He placed them on the table. In both the cases, children and books, in both the cases they are more than one person, so we have used them as an object pronoun. Thank you.